Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter internal power error, blue screen of death, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing you need to do is to check the hardware connections, that is whether your RAM modules, your graphics card and other components are attached securely to your motherboard. If you cannot do that, then you need to contact a hardware technician who can do that for you. Now, if that is not the issue, then overheating will be the issue if your computer is not been able to cool itself or you're working on an extremely hot day. So it will cause overheating and that will cause the fans to stop working, and this can cause this kind of error. And the last thing you can do to fix this error, if it's not overheating or the hardware connections, is to update the BIOS. So for that, we need to go to the browser and search for the BIOS. Now, how will I find my BIOS? Is I will look at the bottom of my laptop. There will be a sticker with the model number there. And if it's your desktop, then look for a sticker with the model number. And then you need to enter download BIOS drivers for, enter the model number. My model number is E1504FA, and then click enter. Now I will click on this link and it will show me BIOS and firmware. I will click on BIOS and firmware and then I will download BIOS update for Windows, and then I will install it on a USB, and I will flash my computer, which is showing the error, internal power error, blue screen of death, and this should fix the computer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.